In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an image from a link on Coda. Coda is a versatile, all-in-one workspace that allows you to create, collaborate, and manage documents with ease. Understanding how to embed images from links directly into your Coda documents can enhance your document's visual appeal and make your data presentation more dynamic. Let's dive right into the process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, head over to the Coda website. Coda serves as your go-to collaborative workspace, featuring everything from simple to-do lists to complex multi-user applications. Once you're on the site, you'll see the Get Started button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. This will initiate the process of logging into your Coda account or creating a new one if you haven't already. If you're new to Coda or you're using it for the first time on this device, you'll need to sign up. For ease, let's utilize the Google Login option, which you can find on the sign up page. Click on Google and you'll be prompted to choose or log into your Google account. Select your account to proceed. This step simplifies your login process by syncing with your existing Google credentials, ensuring you can get started with your work swiftly. Once logged in, navigate to your documents. There, open the specific document where you want to embed an image. This document will act as the canvas for your image, allowing you to integrate visual elements seamlessly into your workflow. Now that you're in your document, it's time to bring in the image. To do this, simply type in the command /embed. This command is a shortcut in Coda to access the embedding feature, which allows you to insert various types of media into your document. Press enter and you'll see the option to embed pop up. Click on it to proceed. After clicking embed, you'll be prompted to paste the URL of the image you wish to add. Make sure you have the correct URL copied from an external source, such as an image hosting platform. Paste the link into the provided field. This method enables you to insert an image from the web directly into your document without needing to download and upload the file manually. Finally, click on Create. This will initiate the embedding process, and you'll see the image appear right within your document space. Adjust and position it as needed to suit your layout and design preferences. And there you have it. You've learned how to seamlessly pull an image from a URL into Coda, enhancing your documents with rich, engaging visuals. Practice this a few times, and you'll have it down pat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.